Chapter 9. Birds are feathered friends. Birds are the fastest among the flying animals. They are the only ones to have feathers. Apart from feathers, they have 2 legs, a pair of wings, and a beak. Most of them can fly. However, some birds like penguin, kiwi, and ostrich cannot fly. All birds lay eggs. They lay eggs in the nests. They take care of their young ones till they are able to fly. The special features that help them to fly are: they have wings covered with feathers. They have hollow and light bones. They have boat-shaped or streamlined body that helps them cut through the air. Their tails help them change direction while flying. Parts of a bird: beak, eye, breast, legs, claws, tail feathers. Feathers. Feathers are of different shapes, sizes, colors, and designs. Birds use their feathers to fly and to keep themselves warm and dry. Birds have 3 types of feathers. Flight feathers are strong and flexible. They are found in the wings and tail. They help a bird fly and change its direction while flying. Body feathers cover the whole body and give the bird its shape. Down feathers are small and fluffy. They keep the body warm. A newborn bird has many down feathers. Flight feathers, body feathers, down feathers. Beaks of birds. Birds eat their food with the help of their beaks. They have beaks of different shapes and sizes depending on the kinds of food they eat. The beaks also help birds in protecting them from enemies. Strong and curved beak. The parrot has a strong and curved beak to crack nuts and seeds. It can also climb over trees with the help of its curved beak. Broad and flat beak. The duck has a broad and flat beak with 2 tiny holes in it. It takes in muddy water through its beak. The mud and water flow out through holes, and insects and plants remain in the beak itself. A parrot's beak, a duck's beak. Short and pointed beak. Sparrows and pigeons have short and pointed beaks, which help them pick up and crush seeds. A sparrow's beak. Strong, sharp, and hooked beak. Birds of prey like eagles, owls, and vultures have strong, sharp, and hooked beaks, which help them tear up the flesh of their prey. An eagle's beak. Sharp and pointed beak. The woodpecker has a sharp and pointed beak. It makes holes in wood of trees with the help of its beak. A woodpecker's beak. Long and pointed beak. Birds like hummingbirds and sunbirds have long and pointed beaks that help them pierce flowers and suck nectar from flowers. A hummingbird's beak, feet, and claws. Birds have feet and claws which they use to catch and hold food and to protect themselves from enemies. Crows, sparrows, and menas have long, slender claws. This kind of claws helps the birds perch on the branches of trees. Hens have strong claws which they use to scratch the ground for seeds. Parrots use their claws to hold food while eating and to climb up the trees. Eagle, hawk, and owl have strong and sharp claws which are called talons. They use their talons to catch and hold small animals. Crow, parrot, owl. Nests. Birds build nests to lay their eggs. They sit on the eggs and keep them warm till they hatch. Parent birds protect their young ones and feed them until they grow their feathers and fly away. Birds use different materials to build nests, like twigs, straw, cotton, and pebbles. Some birds make beautiful and interesting nests, Let's know about the nests of these birds. The weaver bird weaves its nest out of twigs and grass. It hangs from the branch of a tree and is very strong. The bird enters the nest through a tunnel-like tube. The tailor bird makes its nest by sewing two leaves together. It uses its beak as a needle. The nest is lined with wool, dried grass, and cotton to keep it warm. Sparrows and pigeons like to live close to human beings. They make their nests on window edges, ventilators, etc. A woodpecker makes a hole in the tree trunk and uses it as its nest. A weaver bird's nest, a tailor bird's nest, a woodpecker's nest. Migration. When winter approaches and the ground freezes, many birds move to warmer places. This movement takes place every year and is called migration. The birds migrate because food is not easily available under the snow. These birds return to the same place every summer. The Siberian crane comes to India to breed in winter. It can be seen at Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan. Siberian crane.